In the last 2 decades, a silent revolution has been reshaping our world. It didn't arrive with a thunderous announcement or a dramatic unveiling. It crept in, quietly, silently. Like a digital dawn breaking over the horizon of human civilization, its light has touched nearly every facet of our lives, often in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. While we were looking toward the future, distracted by the promise of flying cars and interstellar travel, the future was already being built around us, one circuit and one algorithm at a time. It began in the humming, sterile environments of our factories. City by city, industry by industry, robots have already replaced humans. The first wave was one of brute force and repetition. Mechanical arms, tireless and precise, took over the assembly lines, welding, painting, and lifting with a stamina no human could match. This was the automation we could see, the kind we were told to expect. But this was only the beginning. The revolution quickly learned to move beyond the factory floor. It seeped into our supply chains, our agriculture, and our daily commerce. Many still speak of this transformation in the future tense, a distant possibility, a theoretical debate for economists and futurists. But this is a profound misunderstanding of the present. This is not in the future. This is not a prophecy to be fulfilled someday. It is happening right now, today, in a vast, interconnected network of more than 42 cities around the world. These are not isolated experiments. They are the epicenters of a new global economy, hubs where the boundary between human and machine is blurring into obsolescence. In these pioneering urban landscapes, the workforce is being fundamentally redefined. From the sprawling tech hubs of China, where autonomous robot police patrols monitor public squares, their onboard sensors collecting data with impartial vigilance, to the meticulously planned streets of Singapore, where fleets of driverless buses navigate complex traffic patterns, ferrying citizens with unnerving efficiency, to the vibrant, fast-paced restaurants of Seoul, where humanoid waiters deliver meals, their movements smooth and programmed, a novel spectacle that is quickly becoming the norm, to the colossal, windowless logistics hubs of the United States, where entire armies of robots manage inventory, fulfilling our orders in a relentless 24-hour ballet of pure automation. The world has crossed an irreversible threshold. This automated workforce is no longer confined to simple, manual labor. It has entered the domain of skilled professions. Robotic systems now assist in complex surgeries with a precision beyond human capability. AI algorithms execute millions of financial trades in microseconds, shaping global markets faster than any human trader could react. The image of the robot as a clunky metallic humanoid belongs to the past. The new reality is one of integrated, often invisible systems. It's the software that routes your delivery, the algorithm that suggests your news, the unseen network that manages the city's power grid. This is not science fiction. This is the new, silent, and pervasive reality of the 21st century. A reality where efficiency, productivity, and data are the new currencies of power. The implications are staggering, touching every aspect of society, from employment and economics to ethics and the very definition of human purpose. The question is no longer this change will happen, but how we will adapt to a world we have already built. Welcome to the global list of the 42 cities where robots already work, operate, and take over human jobs faster than anyone imagined. In this journey, we will pull back the curtain on these automated metropolises, exploring the technologies that power them, the industries they are transforming, and the human lives being irrevocably altered in their wake. This is the story of the world's first automated cities, the blueprint for the future of us all. Across the sprawling, high-tech megacities of Asia, a quiet revolution is reshaping the very fabric of society. It's a revolution not of ideology, but of silicon, steel, and software. Driven by demographic shifts, economic imperatives, and a cultural embrace of technological progress, the continent has become the undisputed global epicenter of automation. Here, the future isn't a distant concept. It is a tangible, everyday reality, humming in the background of daily life. In Tokyo, this transformation first captured the world's imagination with the advent of the first robot-staffed hotels. What began as a novelty quickly evolved into a model of operational efficiency. Luggage robots, engineered for spatial awareness and gentle handling, navigate crowded lobbies with precision. Automated check-in kiosks have replaced the traditional front desk, processing arrivals and departures with multilingual, error-free service. Inside, shop assist robots guide guests, and autonomous butlers deliver amenities, effectively replacing entire work teams with a seamless, integrated network of machines. The human touch is not gone, but reassigned, to handle complex exceptions, not routine tasks. This model of lean operations extends to one of Japan's most iconic institutions, the convenience store, or konbini. Traditionally a bastion of human-centric service, these stores now operate with a minimal human presence. AI-driven inventory systems monitor shelves in real time, automatically placing orders when stock is low. Customers enter using a mobile app, and a web of cameras and sensors tracks their selections, charging their accounts as they exit. The last remaining human employees often work from a central command center, overseeing dozens of locations at once. Their intervention required only for security alerts or complex customer queries relayed through a video link. But perhaps the most profound application of automation in Japan is born from its most pressing societal challenge, a rapidly aging population. In cities like Osaka, where the demographic shift is most acute, robots are not just a convenience, they are a necessity. Robotic nurses, capable of performing routine tasks like dispensing medication and taking vital signs, alleviate the immense pressure on human staff. Powerful exoskeleton helpers augment the strength of caregivers, preventing injury and allowing them to lift and move patients with dignity and ease. Automated monitoring systems, integrated into beds and living spaces, track health metrics around the clock, using predictive analytics to flag potential issues before they become emergencies. And social robots provide companionship, combating the loneliness that can so often accompany old age. In this context, robots are filling a critical workforce gap, becoming partners in compassionate care. A short flight away, South Korea presents another face of the automated future, one defined by speed, precision, and ubiquitous connectivity. In the bustling cafes of Seoul, the artisanal craft of the barista is being perfected by machines. Robotic baristas prepare coffee with a consistency that no human could ever match, grinding beans, tamping espresso, and pouring latte art with flawless precision, 24 hours a day. In adjacent restaurants, robot waiters deliver meals, navigating complex floor plans and weaving through crowds. The entire system is integrated, from digital ordering at the table to automated preparation and delivery. In some of Seoul's high-tech districts, it is now common to find more robot staff than human workers, a testament to the city's relentless drive for efficiency. This drive is scaled to colossal proportions at Busan's port, one of the busiest in the world. Here, the symphony of global trade is conducted by artificial intelligence. The entire port operates as a single, cohesive machine. Towering autonomous cranes lift containers from massive ships with superhuman strength and accuracy. A fleet of automated guided vehicles and trucks, coordinated by a central AI logistics platform, shuttles them across the yard. This system optimizes every movement, predicting traffic flow, scheduling maintenance, and reducing ship turnaround times from days to mere hours. The human role has shifted from manual labor to high-level oversight, managing the algorithms that manage the port. Back in the city, this logistical prowess is mirrored on a smaller, more personal scale. Thousands of delivery robots now move through the urban landscape, a common sight on sidewalks and in building corridors. These autonomous couriers are equipped with advanced sensors and mapping technology, allowing them to navigate complex environments, communicate with smart infrastructure to call elevators, and deliver everything from hot food to critical medicine directly to a resident's door. The efficiency and low cost of these robotic fleets have fundamentally disrupted the last-mile delivery market. Human couriers, once a ubiquitous feature of city life, are becoming increasingly rare in this sector, unable to compete with the tireless 24/7 operation of their automated counterparts. The manufacturing sector, where Asia's economic miracle was forged, has also entered a new era. Entire electronics factories, particularly in the hyper-competitive semiconductor and smartphone industries, now operate 24/7 with almost no human workers on the production floor. These are lights-out facilities, where the only light comes from the machines themselves. Robotic pick-and-place lines assemble intricate devices at a pace and with a level of precision that is physically impossible for human hands. In this new paradigm, AI manages the robots, optimizing workflows and predicting maintenance needs. The robots, in turn, manage production, from raw components to final packaging. The human element is elevated to a supervisory role, overseeing the complex digital ecosystem from a sterile control room miles away from the factory floor. Further south, the city-state of Singapore has transformed itself into a living laboratory for urban automation. With limited land and a focus on quality of life, Singapore has aggressively pursued automation in public services. It became a pioneer in transportation automation, with autonomous buses integrated into its public transit network, running on fixed routes with impeccable safety records. Armies of cleaning robots are deployed nationwide, maintaining the pristine condition of its airport, shopping malls, and public spaces. Even waste management and food production are being automated, with robots sorting recyclables and tending to vertical farms that feed the city. For Singapore, automation is not just about efficiency. It is a core strategy for national resilience and sustainability. In the Middle East, Dubai has embraced automation as a symbol of its futuristic vision. The city deployed robot officers, not as replacements for human police, but as mobile information and surveillance hubs. These machines are capable of reporting minor crimes, scanning faces against a database, and providing multilingual assistance to tourists. They act as the eyes and ears of the police force, extending their reach and freeing up human officers for more complex duties. Patrol robots scan public spaces, detect anomalies like unattended baggage or weapons, and report incidents instantly to a central command. In this model, human officers supervise, and robots execute the initial response and data gathering, creating a powerful collaboration between man and machine. This collaborative model is reaching its most critical application in healthcare. Across Asia's most advanced hospitals, automation is enhancing precision and reducing human error. Robotic surgical arms, controlled by expert surgeons, perform complex procedures with movements that are steadier and more precise than any human hand. In hospital pharmacies, robotic systems dispense thousands of prescriptions without error, cross-referencing patient data to prevent adverse drug interactions. Autonomous supply vehicles ensure that surgical tools, linens, and medicine are delivered to the right place at the right time, every time. Even the most ancient of human endeavors, agriculture, is being transformed. Across the continent, farming is becoming heavily automated. Robotic harvesters, equipped with advanced computer vision, can identify and pick ripe fruit with a delicate touch. Drone irrigation systems deliver water and nutrients with pinpoint accuracy, conserving resources. And AI-powered crop analysis monitors plant health from the sky, detecting disease long before the human eye can. From the heart of the city to the rural fields, automation is no longer science fiction. It is the engine of modern Asia. Across Europe, a quiet revolution is reshaping the very foundations of industry and daily life. This is a continent where automation is not a distant concept, but a present-day reality, deeply integrated into the economic and social fabric. From the sprawling factory floors of Germany to the historic streets of Barcelona, robots and artificial intelligence are performing tasks with a level of efficiency and precision that was once the domain of science fiction. This transformation began in the heart of Europe's industrial sector, where the drive for perfection and productivity found its ultimate expression in the form of the industrial robot. In Germany, the powerhouse of European manufacturing, this evolution is on full display. At BMW's iconic Munich plant, a veritable army of thousands of robots carries out the most demanding tasks. They are the backbone of the production line, responsible for the intricate dance of welding, the complex choreography of assembly, and the flawless application of paint. Each movement is calculated, each action executed with sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring a level of quality and consistency that human hands alone could never achieve. Yet, this is not a world devoid of people. Instead, the human role has evolved. High above the factory floor, supervisors oversee the entire symphony of operations. Their focus has shifted from manual labor to data analysis, process optimization, and system maintenance. They are the conductors of this robotic orchestra, ensuring that the complex machinery runs smoothly. While robots build the vast majority of components with near-perfect precision, it is human ingenuity that designs, programs, and ultimately governs these powerful systems, creating a new synergy between man and machine. This wave of automation extends far beyond heavy industry, fundamentally changing how Europeans live and shop. In dense urban centers, the challenge of rapid grocery delivery is being met by a new breed of warehouse, the automated micro-fulfillment center. These compact, highly efficient hubs are often hidden in plain sight, operating in the back of existing stores or in small urban warehouses. Inside, a complex grid system, managed by sophisticated AI, allows an entire fleet of robots to prepare grocery orders, often without a single human staff member touching the products. This technology enables 15-minute delivery, meeting the growing consumer demand for instant gratification. The logistical chain that feeds these centers is itself a marvel of automation. At Europe's largest ports like Rotterdam, the scale of robotic operation is staggering. Here, colossal autonomous cranes lift containers weighing tons, moving them from ship to shore with unwavering stability. On the ground, a fleet of driverless vehicles and guided straddle carriers transports the containers through the yard, navigating with GPS and sensor data. This intricate ballet of machinery operates 24/7, loading and unloading ships with minimal human intervention, dramatically increasing the port's capacity and efficiency. The public sphere is also becoming a key domain for automation. In major transport hubs like airports, security and service are being augmented by robotics. Sleek patrol robots now glide through terminals, equipped with thermal cameras and sensors to monitor the environment and provide information to travelers. Meanwhile, on the city streets, the future of public transport is being tested. In districts from London to Lyon, autonomous driverless shuttles are being trialed, navigating complex urban environments and offering a glimpse into a future of smarter, more efficient mobility. The service and hospitality industries, long defined by human interaction, are also embracing this change. In cities like Paris, restaurants and hotels increasingly rely on service robots. These machines are not just novelties. They are functional members of staff, tasked with cleaning rooms, delivering room service, and even serving patrons in cafes. They handle repetitive tasks, freeing up their human colleagues to focus on providing more personalized and higher quality customer care, blending technological efficiency with the irreplaceable human touch. Even the essential functions of city maintenance are being automated. In Barcelona, the city deploys autonomous cleaning machines and waste collection robots, which work through the night to ensure the streets are pristine by dawn. These robots use advanced sensors to navigate sidewalks, avoid obstacles, and identify areas that require cleaning or bins that need emptying. This automates a vital but labor-intensive service, improving urban hygiene and optimizing municipal resources. In Scandinavia, a region known for its design and efficiency, the logistics of e-commerce now rely heavily on autonomous picking robots. Inside massive fulfillment centers, these mobile units navigate endless aisles with incredible speed. Guided by a central AI, they locate, scan, and retrieve items, bringing them to human packers. This system, known as goods-to-person, has revolutionized warehouse operations, drastically reducing worker fatigue and order fulfillment times, making next-day delivery the standard. Perhaps the most critical application of this technology is in healthcare. In Switzerland, where mountainous terrain can delay ground transport, medical supplies are transported by autonomous drones. These drones fly urgent deliveries of lab samples, blood tests, and medicine between hospitals, bypassing traffic and geographical barriers. This life-saving logistics network reduces transport times from hours to mere minutes, demonstrating the profound impact of automation on human well-being. This automated convenience is becoming part of the urban landscape. In tech-forward cities like Tallinn, Estonia, autonomous food delivery robots are a common sight. These small, six-wheeled bots navigate sidewalks and crosswalks to bring meals directly to customers' doorsteps. They represent the final, crucial link in the automated chain, connecting the robotic kitchen and warehouse directly to the consumer. Estonia's embrace of automation goes beyond the physical world, extending into the very structure of governance. The country is a global leader in digital society, using sophisticated AI systems to automate a vast array of administrative tasks once done by humans. From processing tax returns to managing digital identities, these invisible robots work silently in the background, creating one of the most efficient and transparent bureaucracies in the world. It is a powerful example of how automation, when thoughtfully implemented, can redefine the relationship between the citizen and the state, creating a seamless, data-driven future. Waymo and Cruise operate robotaxis without human drivers across the city. Robots cook, assemble burgers, prepare pizzas, and fry food. Driverless vans deliver groceries and parcels daily. Robots sort, lift, move, and package products with incredible speed. Inspection robots operate on refineries and pipelines, replacing dangerous human jobs. Robotic vehicles clear snow and maintain streets during winter. Cafes and public buildings use automated service machines. Large plantations rely on drones for sowing, spraying, and monitoring crops. Automated banking terminals and AI-operated customer service are replacing human staff. Autonomous trucks and drilling machines operate in dangerous mining zones. Urban districts now use delivery robots for e-commerce. AI systems replaced human controllers in traffic regulation. Robotic drilling and autonomous transport reduce risky manual labor. Emergency medicine is delivered by autonomous drones. Autonomous bricklayers and surveying robots assist major building projects. Hospitals employ robotic assistants and automated monitoring systems. Autonomous tractors and fruit-picking robots dominate the sector. Shopping centers and public spaces deploy patrol robots. New routes are being tested without human drivers. These 42 cities are not experiments. They are the first signs of a changing world. A world where human work is no longer the center of society. Robots don't get tired. Robots don't make mistakes. Robots don't stop. And as AI becomes smarter, as machines become cheaper, as automation spreads to every corner of the planet, the number of cities where robots replace human jobs will rise from 42 to 400 to thousands. This is the dawn of the robotic age, a world where automation is not the future, it is the present. Welcome to the next chapter of human civilization.